Today I am going to discuss velocity of longitudinal wave. It's a very important topic for you. Longitudinal wave nana. Okay, look here. Velocity of a longitudinal wave. Transverse wave I discussed in the previous week nana. Now I am going to discuss longitudinal wave. What is the meaning of longitudinal wave? The best example is sound nana. For example, sound propagated in the air particles are compressed and rarefied and compressed and rarefied. Here, look here. Sound propagated through the air particles first compress. After some distance, air particles are rarefied. Air particle compress. Air particles are rarefied. That means here compressions and rarefactions are formed. What is the distance between two compressions? Already I discussed in the previous week, lambda. What is the distance between compression and rarefaction? Lambda by 2. Okay. And again, what is the phase difference between two compressions? 2 pi 360 degrees. What is the phase difference between successive compression and rarefaction is 180 degrees. That means simply call as pi. Okay. Here in the chapter, sound propagated in the form of compressions and rarefactions. Here compression and rarefaction. Here that wave is nothing but the longitudinal wave. Today I discuss velocity of the longitudinal wave. Here now I am going to discuss a very important longitudinal wave nana. First this mathematical formula directly I give nana. Velocity of longitudinal wave is mathematically defined as under root E by rho. Here once again I repeat, velocity of longitudinal wave is mathematically defined as V equal to under root E by rho. Here E indicate modulus of elasticity. Okay. Once again I repeat, E indicate modulus of elasticity. This is the first here nana. Rho is called density of medium. Once again I repeat, what is the velocity of longitudinal wave formula? Under root E by rho. Last week I discussed velocity of the transverse wave under root T by mu. T is nothing but the tension in the string. Mu indicate linear density of the string. In the previous topic, velocity of the wave, V equal to n lambda or V equal to omega by k. This is applicable for any wave. That wave is transverse wave, that wave is longitudinal wave, that wave is any wave. I consider this is the general formula for velocity of the wave. Particularly, longitudinal wave velocity formula is under root E by rho. This can be verified by using dimensional formula method. Okay. What is the velocity of the transverse wave formula? Under root T by mu. T is nothing but the tension in the string. Mu indicate linear density of the string here. Okay. Here look here nana. This is the longitudinal wave nana. Here for example I take longitudinal wave travel through the medium. The medium name is solid rod or metal rod. Here longitudinal wave propagated from one end of the metal rod to other end of the metal rod. Metal is nothing but the solid medium taken as here E is nothing but the modulus of elasticity. It write as simply Y nana. Y is called Young modulus. Okay. What is the formula for velocity of the longitudinal wave? The medium name is solid medium. Here E replaced by Y nana. Rho write as rho. What is the formula for V solid? Under root y by rho. Here y is called in the first year Young's modulus. Young's modulus. Young's modulus basic definition is stress by strain. Okay. Here, for example, the wave, longitudinal wave through liquid or gas nana, then E is called modulus of elasticity, can be taken as K nana. Here K is called in the first year bulk modulus. Okay. Here V, velocity of the longitudinal wave passing through the liquid or gases. Under root, the formula is K by rho. Here K is nothing but the bulk modulus. K is nothing but the bulk modulus. What is the bulk modulus definition in the first year? Stress by strain. Here also stress by strain. Here also stress by strain. Nana, what is the basic formula for velocity of the longitudinal wave under root E by rho? E and modulus of elasticity that can be taken, for example, the wave propagated through the solid, that E can be taken as Y. For example, the wave propagated in the liquid or gas, that E can be taken in the K. K is called bulk modulus. For example, Nana, E simply called as under root E by rho. Here, modulus of velocity of solid is greater than modulus of velocity of liquid greater than modulus of velocity of gases. Here, V directly proportional to root E more, V also more. So, velocity of longitudinal wave in the solid is always greater than compared to liquid compared to gases. మరి ఎక్కడ వెలాసిటీ ఆఫ్ లాంగిట్యూడ్ లెస్ ఉంటుంది అంటే గ్యాసెస్లో ఉంటుంది నాన్న. ఇట్స్ వాల్యూ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 331 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్ నాన్న. ఓకే. లిక్విడ్స్ నాన్న, లిక్విడ్స్ నియర్లీ 600 or 700 మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్. Solids 1400 meter per second. That means velocity of the longitudinal wave is greater, is more compared to the mediums, liquids and gases. And speed of the sound ekkada more untadi ante solids lo more untadi. Speed of the sound ekkada propagation less untadi ante gases lo less untadi. Ekkada moderate ga untadi ante liquids lo untadi. Okay na? This is the velocity of the longitudinal wave basic formula and this concept nana. Okay, look here nana. Next video I discuss next nana. Look here, Newton's formula nana. Look here, look here nana. This is the Newton's formula. In the Newton's formula nana, in the Newton's formula, Newton's this is applicable for longitudinal wave propagated in the gases nana. Okay nana. Here for example, Newton's assumed sound propagated in the gases. Okay. Here in the gases, here nana, gas is nothing but the what nana? Air. Newton's assumed, not real nana, Newton's assumed sound nothing but the longitudinal wave propagated through air. Temperature of the air is constant. This is the assumption of the Newton's nana. Once again I repeat, Newton's assumed the sound propagated through the medium, the temperature of the air is constant. ఎప్పుడైతే టెంపరేచర్ కాన్స్టెంట్, then according to chemistry this process is called isothermal process. We know that thermal means temperature, iso means same. According to chemistry, iso means same nana, thermal means temperature. Here temperature is a constant. According to Newton's assumption, sound propagated through the air, temperature of the air is constant, nana. That is called, this process is isothermal process. We know isothermal process follow Boyle's law, because Boyle's law also which will be constant, temperature is a constant. What is the Boyle's law in the chemistry? PV equal to constant. Nana, we apply differentiating on both sides, Nana. Differentiation of PV, here differentiation of constant. Any constant we apply differentiation, it becomes 0, Nana. This is in the mathematics, we know that because you are MPC students, this is UV formula. First common P తీసామనుకో dV PdV plus ఈసారి V కామన్ నాన్న V into dP. This formula in the mathematics, UV formula, once again I repeat, here P is variable, V is variable. P is nothing but the pressure, V is nothing but the volume. Both are variable. First common is P nana, P into dV plus V common nana dP. Here constant differentiation becomes 0, nana. Look here, P into dV equal to minus V into dP. Okay, it neatly write as here other side, nana, here other side, nana, dV other side. Here P equal to minus dP into V by dV, nana. Look here, P equal to, neatly write as minus dP by dV by V, nana. It neatly write as dV by V. Here, nana, dP is nothing but the pressure, nana. In the chapter, pressure is nothing but the stress. What is the formula for stress? Force by area. Here stress by, here change in volume by original volume, nothing but the strain, nana. Stress by strain is nothing but the, stress by strain is nothing but the bulk modulus, nana. That means here stress by strain is nothing but the K, nana. In the first year, K is nothing but the bulk modulus. We know that velocity of the longitudinal wave, general formula is E by rho, nana. For example, the medium is taken gases, E is replaced by K, nana. K is called bulk modulus. According to Newton's assumption, its K value becomes P, nana. Here write neatly, K is nothing but the P by rho. Here P indicate pressure, nana. Rho indicate density, nana. Once again I repeat, nana. P indicate, nana, pressure. Here rho indicate density. Okay, here once again repeat, nana. P indicate pressure, nana. Rho indicate density, nana. Its value is determined. Velocity is nearly approximately 300 meter per second uptime, nana. But velocity of sound in gases already I give just previous concept, 331 meter per second. That means sound propagated in the air, velocity of sound is 331 experimentally determined. But according to Newton's assumption, it becomes what, nana? 300. That means both are different, nana. Here according to Newton's assumption is sound propagated in the air, temperature of the air is constant. According to observation, according that principle I take to determine velocity of sound in the gases becomes 300. But experimentally determination is 331 meter per second. Both are different, nana. So Newton's assumption is 100% wrong. Newton's assumption, what is the Newton assumption? Sound propagated in the medium, temperature of the medium is constant. That process is called isothermal process. This assumption is 100% wrong. That means V equal to under root P by rho is 100% wrong formula, nana, because both are experimental and Newton's assumed velocities are different, nana. So the other scientist Laplace is entered, nana. The scientist name is Laplace. The scientist entered entered. The scientist name is Laplace, Nana. This what is the Laplace? What is the meaning of Laplace? To check them once again. Look here. Okay, Laplace, Nana. Okay, look here. This is the Laplace correction, Nana. What is the meaning of Laplace correction? I discuss. Okay. Actually, sound propagated through the air, which is constant. Temperature of the air is constant. But Laplace assumed. Laplace says air some places compress and some place rarefact. Okay. And air some places what compress. Air is compressed means according to thermodynamics here work done on the gas, so it will be heat release, heat release, heat release. That means here temperature increase. According to Laplace assumed here temperature more. Here air particles are freely move. That means work done by the gas. So that's why here heat absorbed, nana, here temperature less. That means here temperature more, here temperature less. Here temperature more, here temperature less. That means Laplace says the sound propagated through the air, temperature of the air is not a constant. That means Newton assumption is 100% wrong, nana. Here temperature is not constant, but air is a bad conductor of heat. Air is according to electricity, air is a bad conductor of heat, nana. Bad conductor means heat is constant. This proposed by the scientist name is Laplace, nana. What is the Laplace correction? Sound propagated through the medium, temperature of the air is not a constant. Here heat will be constant. Here heat transfer, because air is a bad conductor of heat, so heat is a constant. That process is called in the physics adiabatic process. Once again I repeat, this process is called adiabatic process. In the adiabatic process, we know the law PV power gamma equal to constant. Isothermal law, Boyle's law. Adiabatic process law PV power gamma equal to constant. Here also differentiating on both sides, differentiation of PV power gamma equal to differentiation of constant. In the mathematics, this is the UV formula. Finally, then a direct step I give a minus dp by dv by v equal to gamma p. Okay, ఇందాక ప్రీవియస్లో ఏమొచ్చింది, dp by dv by v becomes p వచ్చింది, ఇది gamma p వచ్చింది. Here dp is nothing but the stress, dv by v is nothing but the strain. Stress by strain is nothing but the k, nana. K is called bulk modulus, becomes how much, nana? Gamma p. What is the velocity of sound through the gas propagating through the gas formula is under root k by rho. Rho is density of medium. Here k value substitute under root gamma p by rho, nana. This is the formula for velocity of sound through the gases, nana. This is the final formula. What is the Laplace formula? Under root gamma p by rho, nana. Gamma p by rho. Its value is determined. For example, here it becomes 331 meter per second, nana. Here experimental value also approximately 331 meter per second, nana. Both are okay, both are approximately equal. For example 332 వచ్చిందన, exactly 331. Experimental value 331, it will be determined, its value is 332. Both are approximately equal means, nana, that means Laplace assumption is right. That means sound propagated through the medium, heat is a constant, nana. Heat of the air is always constant. That means it follow adiabatic process, not to be follow isothermal process. Okay, that means this is the experimental value here 331, Laplace assumption 332, both are approximately equal nana, but Newton's assumption velocity approximately ఎంత వచ్చింది 300, పర్ఫెక్ట్గా చేస్తే 280 meter per second వస్తుంది. Both this is very different nana, so that's why Newton's assumption is wrong, Laplace assumption is 100% right nana. Okay, here these values also 332 ఎలా డిటర్మైన్ చేస్తారు ఏంటనేది చెప్తాను చూడండి. ఓకేనా, what is the Laplace assumption? Sound propagated through the air. Here sound propagated through the air. Here heat is constant, transfer of heat is constant, but temperature is not a constant. What is the Laplace correction formula? Velocity of sound in gases, formula is under root gamma p by rho. Okay, here what is the, this is the gas, what is the ideal gas equation? PV equal to nRT. N means number of moles, write as mass by molecular weight into R into T. Once again, what is the ideal gas equation? PV equal to nRT. N ante mass by molecular weight. Here write neatly P equal to mass by volume RT by capital M. Mass by volume is nothing but the density. Mass by volume is nothing but the density rho R T by M. This is the formula for pressure of the gas. What is the formula for pressure of the gas nana? Rho R T by M. Okay, according to this formula, what is the P by rho nana? Here R T by M. Okay, simply it write as, here look here nana, V equal to under root gamma. Okay, P by rho write as simply RT by M. That means here capital R indicate universal gas constant, capital T indicate absolute temperature, capital M indicate molecular weight. Generally in the atmosphere 70 to 80% which gas is there nana? N2. N2 is the diatomic gas nana. Here gamma is called adiabatic constant. Adiabatic constant nana, its gamma value for diatomic gas 7/5. అదే మోనో అటామిక్ గ్యాస్ అయితే మోనో అటామిక్ గ్యాస్ అయితే మీ డయాటామిక్ గ్యాస్ అయితే ఎంత 7/5, పాలీ అటామిక్ గ్యాస్ అయితే 4/3. ఓకేనా, అదే మోనో అటామిక్ గ్యాస్ అయితే 5/3. హియర్ N2, because in the atmosphere 70 to 80% occupy gas is nitrogen generally, so that is called diatomic gas. Gamma value is 7/5. Here R is called universal gas constant, its value becomes 8.314. Molecular weight of the nitrogen is N2. N2 means N value 14, 14 to 28 grams. Okay, here gram means nearly right, it becomes kg, 28 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Okay, molecular weight of nitrogen. Room temperature generally 27 degrees Celsius can be taken. It will be converted into absolute temperature. 27 plus 273 becomes 300. Room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. It will be added 273, 300 Kelvin. All the values substitute. Velocity of sound in gases, it becomes finally, it will be calculated 332 meter per second. Just previous I discussed briefly. Here I will be calculate in this manner also. Okay, 332 meter per second. Experimental value and Laplace corrected value both are nearly same. So Laplace assumed, Laplace assumption, that assumption is sound propagated through the air. Here temperature is not a constant, heat transfer is constant. That process is called adiabatic process. What is the formula for velocity of longitudinal wave in the gas? In the gas, gamma P by rho. Other formula is under root gamma P by rho, write as from ideal gas equation RT by capital M. What is the velocity of sound in the gases formula? Under root gamma P by rho ORR under root gamma RT by capital M. Okay, this is the formula, nana. Okay, velocity of the sound, nana, in the gas, this is the formula.